If you care enough to be the very best at this, your feelings and senses will take you into many areas that you don't even know you're in at this moment.
Welcome to our new series of Vidal Sassoon training videos. Complete, this set will give you a unique library of fresh cuts, some combined with interesting perms, others with exciting colouring techniques. Mastering these will extend your knowledge and expertise, will give new inspiration to your creativity, and will add profitability to your career path. The Vidal Sassoon way is for those who really care about their craft. Our tradition of precision cutting, combined with classic and high fashion design, has kept us at the forefront of international hairdressing for over 30 years. What has really made the difference is our commitment to training. For our own apprentices, assistants, and the students we instruct at our schools and academies, and the shows and seminars we hold around the world, everything begins and ends with training and practice. Everyone who has ever worked or studied with us will tell you that training is our lifeblood. So practice cutting, colouring and perming, and be ever more critical of your work and your art, just as we are. Because like us, you know that practice makes perfect.
The bias cut, a short graduated shape inspired by the way designers cut fabric. This technique allows the hair to hug the head in a very sexy manner, just as a bias cut garment hugs the body. The bias color, a technique that precisely follows the cutting lines of the haircut, increasing the visual flow and adding a vibrant tone to the overall look. Start the haircut at the back. Divide a horizontal section to a point just above the top of the ear. Then take a vertical section and hold the hair down at a 45-degree angle. Notice how the fingers angle away from the top of the head. This ensures the correct amount of weight is built up towards the crown. Subsequent sections are now taken parallel to the first and over-directed slightly back to build up weight progressively around the head. Here you can clearly see the last sections being over-directed back to maintain weight behind the ear. Now, repeat this procedure on the second side. A second horizontal section is now taken from the crown to the same point above the top of the ear. Starting in the center back, vertical sections are taken and connected with the previously cut hair. Notice how the hair is being lifted out much higher than before. This controls the amount of weight being built up. Remember, over-direct as you progress around the head. Repeat the same procedure for the second side. Through the sides, divide the hair from the crown to the temple. Vertical sections are now taken, joining in with the hair that has been previously cut from the back. Again, each section is over-directed slightly back to maintain weight through the front hairline. Now, repeat the same procedure on the second side. Now, give the outline a more definite edge by working from the longest point on the outline to the corner of the eye. Bias cutting is based on the way designers cut cloth. This allows the hair to hug the head, giving additional versatility and movement. Sections are taken diagonally and the hair is held out vertically. This allows a peak of weight to be maintained through the top. This is the essence of the bias cut. Notice how the fingers are allowed to slide along the hair as it is being cut. This accentuates the shape being created. Here you can see the way the sections in the cutting line curve across the top of the head. Now progress towards the front hairline, taking diagonal sections and over-directing the hair up and back. At this stage of the haircut, stop and assess the shape visually. Now, refine the haircut. Check the length between the crown and the fringe, rounding off any excess weight as you go. Now, round off the corners through the sides, ensuring a smooth blend from the sides into the top. Over-direct up and back to avoid taking out too much weight. As before, assess the shape visually as you work through. Pointing techniques are used to further refine the internal shape and to achieve an even blend between the various lengths of the haircut. Start the bias coloring technique at the back, just above the occipital bone. Take fine sections horizontally using a slice technique. The first color used is a pastel blonde, depth or level 10. Leave a small amount of hair in between each foil section. Continue taking slice sections until you reach a point just below the crown. When we say a slice, we mean taking a very fine, straight section, just skimming the surface of the hair with the tail of the comb. Through the front, create chevron-shaped sections using a slicing technique. Now, take the brush and move it down the section of hair to be colored in an S-shaped pattern. This ensures the color follows the pattern of the haircut and increases the flow of the shape. Leave a small amount of hair in between each foil section. Now, carry on taking chevron-shaped sections towards the crown. this same procedure for the second side. When all your foils are complete, process according to manufacturer's instructions. Then, remove the foils and tint all the hair, including the previously colored foil sections, using a chili red, depth or level 8. In this instance, use a normal tint application procedure. Color is now fully applied. Leave to process for 45 minutes or according to manufacturer's instructions. As with all Vidal Sassoon haircuts, there is more than one way to dress the finished look. The bias cut and color, two more innovative ideas from Vidal Sassoon.